to Monster Kitchen Academy! Monster Kitchen Academy! Let's cook something delicious!
Yay! I am a carrot! I like apples!
Fresh milk for you!
A big tomato!
An apple! It's red, round, and healthy! Look! It is banana time! Whee! Down the kitchen slide it goes. Bananas are soft and sweet, and they give us super energy! Wow! Look at this bright orange! Let's slice it open. Oranges are full of vitamin C. It keeps us healthy. Let's count the yummy purple grapes. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count the pretty green grapes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job! 1, 2, and cut! Yeah! Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Carrots help your eyes. Ta! Tomatoes are juicy and healthy. Look! It is a tiny green tree. Wow! Wow, it is growing. Woo! Look at cool cucumber. Let's slice it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job! Wow! Yellow corn is tasty and fun to eat. Today, let's find some bright red foods. Look at these juicy red strawberries and apples. Great job! Yellow, yellow, beautiful yellow. Yellow, yellow, we love yellow. Yellow! Let's find all the yummy green foods. Look at this beautiful green pile. Let's find some orange foods. Carrots and oranges are orange. 1, 2, 3, 4. Eating healthy is so much fun. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Na, 5. Let's count these carrots. 1, 2, 3. 4, 2, 4, 5, 6. Let's count some eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job! Let's count our healthy fruit cupcakes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's add some delicious berries. Yay! Today, let's wash some fresh, delicious fruits. Scrub the apples and grapes. Perfect! Now they are ready to eat. Let's chop some healthy vegetables. 1, 2, 3 carrots. Now let's slice the green cucumber. And chop the big red tomato. Let's stir the big pot of soup. Smell all the yummy vegetables. It smells delicious. Lettuce goes in. Tomato and cucumber. Add the golden corn. Now toss it high. Great job. Let's make a delicious smoothie. A big yellow banana, sweet red strawberries, and some fresh white milk. Now let's blend it all together. A perfect pink smoothie. Drink your milk to help you grow. Wow, look at those big muscles. Milk makes your bones super strong. Wow, carrots help your eyes. Wow! Wow! Fruits give you magic energy. Let's eat some healthy fruit salad. Fruit salad! Now you have the energy to play. I love broccoli. And carrots make me grow. Look at me now. We are the Little Monster Chefs. Cooking healthy is a breeze. Great job, little chefs.